Welcome. If you're representing yourself at a Tribunal Dispute Resolution, or TDR, this video will walk you through what to expect and how to prepare so you feel confident and ready. You don't need legal training. You just need to be organized and prepared. A TDR is not a hearing or a trial. It's a confidential settlement meeting led by a tribunal member. It happens over Zoom and usually starts around 9 a.m. Plan to keep the whole day free. Nothing is recorded and the public cannot attend. The goal is simple. Try to resolve your complaint without going to a hearing. A settlement can often be faster, less stressful, and more flexible than a formal hearing. You might reach an agreement that works better for both sides than what a tribunal could order after months of waiting. You can agree to creative solutions that a formal decision might not offer. The tribunal member is there to act as a neutral facilitator, not a judge. Their job is to guide the conversation, ensure everyone follows the rules, and help both sides look for common ground. They might point out the strengths and weaknesses of your case to help you understand your risks. It's important to remember that they aren't there to pick a winner. In fact, if you don't reach a settlement, this member will have no further involvement in your case. A completely different person would be assigned to handle the formal hearing. The tribunal office will email you the TDR date and time. If you need to reschedule, need an interpreter, or need an accommodation, contact them within 5 days. Don't wait. These deadlines matter. At least 7 days before the TDR, you must send a few things. First, sign and return the mediation agreement. This confirms everything discussed is confidential. Second, you must submit a 1-page remedy statement and can send up to 5 pages of additional documents you want to rely on. Keep it short and focused. Do not resend your complaint, response, or the director's decision. If you're the complainant, you must send a 1-page remedy statement. This explains what you're asking for to resolve the complaint. Be creative. You might ask for a reference letter, apology, or training. Be specific. If asking for money, break it down clearly, such as general damages, lost wages, or lost benefits. Think of this as your starting settlement request. Preparation helps a lot. Before the TDR, think about, what do I want ideally? What would I realistically accept? What matters most to me? Write your key points down. You don't need speeches or legal arguments. Just be clear and honest about what happened and what you need to resolve it. On the day, everyone joins the Zoom call. The tribunal member explains the process. Then there will be settlement discussions. Often, you and the other side will meet separately with the member in private virtual rooms. This is normal. It helps people speak freely. When you meet privately with the tribunal member, you can ask if it is confidential, and tell them if you do not want them to share this information with the other party. You can ask questions, test ideas, or talk through concerns. They may explain strengths and weaknesses of your case to help you make informed decisions. You're never forced to accept an offer. You can accept it, make a counteroffer, or say no. You can also ask for time to think. Take your time, ask questions, make decisions you feel comfortable with. There are a few possible outcomes. You might sign a formal settlement agreement. You might agree verbally and finalize later. You might need more time, or you might not settle. If there is no settlement, then the case moves to a hearing. If you settle, the parties draft and sign a settlement agreement. Once everyone completes what they promised, the tribunal closes the file. If you don't settle, your case moves forward to a hearing. The tribunal member who ran the TDR will not be your hearing decision maker. The tribunal office will send you next steps and deadlines. Statements or offers are usually not admissible at the hearing. Everything discussed at TDR is confidential. It's not recorded. You usually can't use statements or offers later at a hearing or in court. This allows everyone to speak openly and explore solutions. A few final tips. Stay respectful and calm. Keep an open mind. Take breaks if you need them. Ask questions if you're unsure. Although you are welcome to bring a lawyer, remember that many people attend TDRs without lawyers. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our website for more information on the tribunal process.